Hello and welcome. I'm a hotel AI expert with deep experience in modern hospitality, and I am absolutely delighted to welcome all students of Europe Hotel School to your online learning journey. We are really looking forward to supporting you as you grow in this amazing industry. This program is all about giving you practical knowledge that lines up with what's actually happening in hotels today, guided by real industry experience and AI-supported practices. Okay, let's dive right in by flipping a core concept on its head. In our world, an objection is not a no, not even close. It's an opportunity. It's an open door to build trust and show what you're really made of. So the most crucial thing, where it all begins, is getting the right mindset. We have to start by changing the way we see a client's concern. This single idea is the foundation for everything. Honestly, an objection proves your client is thinking. They're taking this seriously. It's not a rejection, it's an invitation into a much more detailed and meaningful conversation. And what's so interesting here is the contrast. An amateur sees a brick wall, a dead end. But a professional? They see a door to a deeper level of engagement, a way to build real, lasting trust. Let's move on and see how this mindset builds into a real, structured process. Because here's the thing, you can't solve a problem until you fully, truly understand it. This three-step loop, this is your key to unlocking what's really going on. First, you show respect by validating their point. Just let them know you heard them. Then, you use open-ended questions to dig deeper, to get past the surface stuff. And finally, you confirm you've understood the root cause. And this is just perfect, because empathy isn't some soft, fuzzy skill. No way. It's a strategic tool. It's the engine that turns what could be a tense negotiation into a collaboration where you're both on the same team. All right, so once you truly get the issue, then you can start crafting a solution. But the goal here, well, the goal is critical. Look, your solutions have to be precise. They have to directly address the client's real concern. Throwing out generic offers, well, that just shows you weren't listening and it undermines all the trust you just built. I want you to remember this. Every single solution you offer is another chance to show them why your property is the right choice, to prove that you are truly committed to their success. Having the right skills is one thing, but embodying the right professional attributes, that's what builds a career. Confidence. This reassures the client that their concerns are being handled by someone who knows what they're doing, a competent expert. Composure. This prevents things from escalating. It keeps the dialogue calm and constructive, even when the pressure's on. And integrity. This makes sure that your solutions are honest. It's what builds that long-term trust, which, let's be honest, is the most valuable asset you could ever have. So finally, let's zoom out a bit. Let's look beyond just one conversation. Because the top professionals, they build systems to make sure they're successful again and again. See, this isn't just about one meeting. It's about creating this continuous learning loop. You prepare, you work with your internal teams, you analyze what's working and what's not, and you just keep at it. That is what separates the best from the rest. Because ultimately, every single objection that you handle professionally becomes another stepping stone. It's a step toward a high-value, trust-based partnership that's going to drive real, sustainable revenue. So, as you move forward in your careers, I'm going to leave you with this one question, because your ability to answer it, well, that's what's going to define your success.